welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking all the things out of my vanity and putting it in this new organizer that I got online because I'm going to be getting a new desk. So this will go behind the desk and I'm so excited. There's lots of stuff to put into it, all the stuff from my vanity and then some other things from different areas of my room. So let's go. So here's the new chair. I love it. It works awesome. Say thank you for watching this video. Next week's video hopefully will be me setting up my desk, depending on when it arrives. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!